for Rain is 9th, and Indian Alert is 10th now and starting up on the outside. Around the turn
After Call for Rain, Stargaze Hanover, Rumpus Hanover, and Jaguar Spur had scored victories in the Molson Export Series, Indian Alert came up the big winner in the $226,750 Canadian Pacing Derby at Greenwood Raceway, July 30th. Mickey McNichol drove the two-time winner of the race to a 154 victory.
Rumpus Hanover, Call for Rain on the outside, putting together a monster smile. Now second. Up the rail, Riviera Hanover in third. Now Indian Alert takes a shot on the outside in fourth. And Call for Rain surges up on the outside and takes over the lead. 3/4, 1:24 and 2. Call for Rain on the outside by a length. Up the rail, Rumpus Hanover battling back in second. Indian Alert is third. Here comes Jaguar Spur shaking loose. Take a look on the extreme outside. Call for Rain. Indian Alert. Jaguar Spur shooting through. Run the table on the extreme outside. Shooting through now to get the lead.